If you have damage to a concrete floor or need an area levelling out, then Artex Easifix Floor Repair Kit is perfect for the job. And it's so fast setting it can be walked on in just 2 hours. The kit gives you enough to repair a 1 metre square area when applied 3 millimetres deep. And it comes with everything you need: floor levelling compound, gloves and mixing tool and bucket, so you can get started straight away. Always ensure you use appropriate protective wear. To prevent irritation to your skin, we recommend you use the supplied gloves. Remove any loose material or debris from the floor. Then dampen the area with clean water. Gradually add the bag of floor levelling compound to 1 litre of clean water. Mix it well for 2 minutes until you get a nice pourable mix. The floor compound is suitable to cover any depth between 2 and 30 millimetres. All you have to do is pour it out onto the floor. Then give it at least 2 hours to cure and the area is ready to be walked on. Clean the tools and bucket with warm soapy water as soon as you're finished.